Good morning. It is 1st of May today. These are some mixed apples, pears and plum trees. I bought the rootstock and I had grafted them for our open garden. And today I was going through some of the plum trees just to see about the health of the grafts, which I did around September last year. And I was surprised to see one thing which I have never seen in my life, and I'm going to show you. That is one of the plum tree. I had grafted with 3 different varieties. The one is green at the bottom, this one, but has not shown any bud yet. But other 2, that's one at the top, and there is one on the side, and look what it has. It has fruit on it, and look at the size of the plant. That is its full size, and at least I have not seen anything like that, a plant of that size with fruit on. That is amazing. That's wonderful. And that is the result of grafting. If you like my work, share it with your friends and relatives. In this vast world, I am millions times smaller than a dot. If you lose me once, it will be hard to find me again. To avoid that, subscribe to my channel. You can have easy access to me. Thank you.